Hey there! Welcome back to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of heavy machinery to spotlight a beast that's been making waves, the KOBELCO SK135SR-2 model YF08-04194. And let me tell you, it's a game changer for any construction project. Built in 2019, this excavator isn't just any piece of equipment. It's a powerhouse on tracks, designed to tackle the toughest tasks with ease and efficiency. With 24,456 hours under its belt, it has proven its mettle on the field, yet it's ready for many more hours of operation. What sets the KOBELCO SK135SR-2 apart? First off, its engineering. This machine offers exceptional performance, durability, and fuel efficiency, thanks to its innovative design. And with its compact radius, it's perfect for tight spaces where traditional excavators can't fit. But it's not just about power. This model comes with advanced features that prioritize operator comfort and safety, ensuring that long hours on the job are less of a strain and more of a pleasure. So, whether you're expanding your fleet or looking for a machine that brings reliability and power to your site, the KOBELCO SK135SR-2 YF08-04194 is your answer. For more details on how to make this beast yours, drop us a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content. See you on the next one.